is flat.
is flat.
My body
My body
is lazy.
is lazy.
My mind
My mind
is not working properly.
is
And where?
You were like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
You were like, oh my God.
You will like, oh
and
my God.
after that,
And after
the
that,
entire audience will say,
will
oh
say,
my God, Sujit.
Oh my God, sir.
Sujit,
So myself Brijesh, I'm here to eradicate my public speaking fear.
हो सकता है कि बहुत इजी चीज लगती हो, बट बहुतों के लिए बहुत हार्ड चीज होती है.
It's
So-
very hard, sir.
इट्स वेरी हार्ड. और इन्होंने पर्सनली एक कन्फेशन किया है कि सर ये जो है मेरा पार्टनर, दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट. डिलीवर योर स्पीच,
Deliver your speech,
प्रेजेंटेशन,
Presentation.
गिव कम्युनिकेशन,
Give communication.
डू कन्वर्सेशन,
Do conversations.
ट्राई टू इम्प्रोवाइज योरसेल्फ,
Try to improvise yourself.
try to improve yourself,
Try to improve
try to
yourself.
communicate with each and everyone.
Try to communicate to each and every.
You made me like this.
You make me like
You
this.
proved
You proved
that you are the real backbones.
you are the real backbones of mine.
When I fell down,
When I fell down,
you picked me.
you picked me.
When I lost my way,
When I lost my
you
way,
lifted me.
you lifted me.
When I closed my eyes,
When I closed my
you
eyes,
opened my eyes.
you opened my
When I
eyes.
lost the way,
When I lost
you
the way,
showed me the road.
you showed me the road.
When I fumbled,
When I
you
fumbled,
encouraged me.
you encouraged
When
me.
I became hopeless,
When I became
you
hopeless,
gave me the hope. Mr. Suresh, actually, he is a PhD scholar, right? So he has already a lot of knowledge, information, experience. But the one thing he faced, and he showed me even some of his speeches he already has delivered in some kind of conferences and meetings, right?
Yeah,
But one thing, you have to quit it. Quit it right now. Quit it. Be out of it. Always when you learn public speaking or the stage presentation, quit the lecture table. Never be on the lecture table. This is one of the comfort zone, right? Because here you feel that 60 or 70% of the body is hidden. So you are in the safe zone. You have to be out of the safe zone, right? Now, I want to make you do something and you have to do the same activity.
yes.
And I think you saw the same activity and you got fascinated, right? Let's do it. Everyone,
Yes, everyone.
yes, everyone.
Yes, everyone.
This is me, Abdullah,
This is me, Suresh.
has a vision,
Has a reason,
mission, reason
reason
for the transformation.
for the transformation.
I believe
I believe
my tone
my tone
is flat.
is flat.
My body
My body
is lazy.
is lazy.
My mind
My mind
is not working properly.
is now working properly.
But
But
believe me,
believe me,
after a few days
after a few days
of the training and class,
of the training and class,
I will
I will
transform myself.
transform myself.
But first of all, let me tell you the importance of public speaking.
First of all, let me tell you the importance of public
Now
speaking.
use your pace, right? Use your pace. Let me tell you the importance of public speaking.
Let me tell you the importance of public speaking.
The public speaking
The public speaking,
gives you confidence.
it's a confidence.
This gives you confidence.
This gives you confidence.
This gives you a broadened mind.
This gives you a burden your mind.
This broadens your thoughts.
This broadens your
This
thought.
develops your confidence.
This develops your
And
confidence.
this
And this
gives you
gives you
power,
power,
empowers you,
empowers you,
strengthens you,
strengthens you,
and makes you
and makes you
the hero and superhero.
a hero and a superhero.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I believe
I believe
कि ये जुबान जो होती है
ये जुबान जो होती है
मरे हुए को भी जिंदा कर जाती है.
मरे हुए को भी जिंदा कर जाती
ये जुबान जो होती है
है. ये जुबान जो होती है
लंगड़े को चलाती है,
लंगड़े को चलाती है,
बेसहारे को सहारा दे जाती है,
बेसहारे को सहारा दे जाती है,
जीना सिखा जाती है,
जीना सिखा जाती है,
लोगों के आंखों के आंसू पोंछ जाती है.
लोगों के आंखों के आंसू पोंछ
ये जुबान
ये जुबान
बड़ी बड़ी दुश्मनी को दोस्ती में बदल जाती है.
बड़ी बड़ी दुश्मनी को दोस्ती में
ये जुबान
ये जुबान
लड़खड़ाते हुए पैर को मजबूत कर जाती है.
लड़खड़ाते हुए पैर को मजबूत कर
ये
जाती है.
जुबान
ये जुबान
दिलों के गम को मिटाती है.
दिलों के गम को भी
ये
मिटाती है.
जुबान
ये जुबान
मुर्दों को भी चलाती है,
मुर्दों को भी
ना
चलाती है,
सीखने वाले को भी सिखाती है.
ना सीखने वालों को भी सिखाती
ये
है.
जुबान,
ये जुबान
this is the power of the tongue.
This is the power of the tongue.
This is the power of the words.
This is the power of the
This is the
words.
power of your confidence.
This is the power of
This
your
is the power
confidence.
of your communication skills.
This is the power of
This
your
is the power of your
communication
public speaking.
skills. This is the power of
This
your
is the power of your greatest thoughts.
This is the power of your
This is
greatest
the
thought.
power of your mentality.
This is the power of your
This is
mentality.
the power of your मानसिकता and ज़हनियत.
This is the power of your mansikta and jeheniyat.
That's why
That's why
you believe
you believe
you can change.
you can change.
You can transform.
You can transform.
You can build.
You can
You
build.
can rebuild.
You can rebuild.
upskill.
You can
You can
upskill.
reskill.
You can
Me
upskill.
Suresh
P. Suresh.
Me, Suresh.
Me, Suresh.
Standing here.
Standing.
First day of my training.
First day of my training.
Promise you all.
Promise you all.
One day.
One day.
I will never fumble.
I will never.
You will
fumble.
see.
You will see.
And you will think.
You will think.
This is the Suresh.
This is the Suresh.
Was fumbling.
What's fumbling?
Stucking.
Shivering.
Forgetting. Eliminating.
Eliminating.
I was confused.
I was confused.
Was in complications.
I was in complications.
Confusions. But
But
that you will be shocked.
we'll be soft.
And you will feel like
You will feel like
ये तो बदल गया.
ये तो बदल गया.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause. All right. Now, the moment I just want to explain you, because for the knowledge, I never will criticize you, because I am MBA, you are PhD. For the purpose and sake of knowledge, you are a scholar. You must have a lot of words and information and great knowledge. But yes, please. But the point is, you need to just upskill yourself, right?
Yes.
संभलने से संभलना आता है, गिरकर चलना आता है, मुसीबतें ठोकरें आती है जिंदगी में, मुस्कुराने से मुस्कुराना आता है. So keep smiling, keep changing, keep transforming. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Suresh, first day of the training. I would like to welcome the first day of the training, one more person sitting here on the first day of everybody. I do one thing as I did with Mr. Suresh, right? The same thing I'm gonna do with you, right? Are you ready and excited for this?
Yeah, ready, sir.
Great, let's begin it. I thought once,
Once,
twice,
twice,
thrice, multiple times.
multiple times.
I was sitting at my home.
I was sitting,
I thought,
is
is it fake?
it fake?
Can this person train me?
Can this person train me?
Then one thought came into my mind.
Then one thought came into my mind.
Let's meet this person.
Let's meet this
And
person.
let's tell the problems.
Let's tell the problem.
I came to the institute.
I came to the institute.
I sat in front of Abdullah sir.
I sat in front of the Abdullah sir.
I told him my problems.
I told him my problems.
And then
he
said, of course, man.
of course, man,
You can
you can
learn.
learn.
You can be trained.
You can be trained.
You can be transformed.
You can be transformed.
You just first of all come here.
You just have to come here.
You come here.
You come
You
here.
improve yourself.
You prove yourself.
Attend the class daily.
Attend the class
Be
daily.
trained.
Be trained.
Be focused.
Be focused.
Be concentrated.
Be concentrated.
Learn each and everything.
Let me tell everything.
Learn each and everything.
Learn each and everything.
Come on the stage.
Come on the
Deliver
stage.
your speech. Deliver your speech.
Deliver your speech.
Presentation.
Presentations.
Give communication.
Give communication.
Do conversation.
Do conversations.
Try to improvise yourself.
Try to improvise yourself.
Try to improve yourself.
Try to improve
Try to
yourself.
communicate with each and everyone.
Try to communicate to each and everyone.
Socialize with each and everyone.
Socialize with everyone.
Try to learn different words.
Try to different
Try to learn
words.
different words.
Try to
Learn different words.
Try to learn
Read
different words.
newspaper.
Read newspapers.
Read magazines.
Read magazines.
Explore the world.
Explore the
Travel.
world. Travel.
Socialize.
Socialize.
Try to talk to unknown
Try
people.
to unknown people.
Try to talk to
Try to
strangers.
talk to strangers.
And you will see.
And you will
a great
see.
change.
And great
And
change.
where
And where?
you were like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
You were like, oh my God.
You will like, oh
And
my God.
after that,
And after
the
that,
entire audience will say,
will
oh
say,
my God, Sujit.
Oh my God, sir.
Sujit.
Sujit.
Right.
Yeah.
I didn't trust you.
I gave interest to you.
I didn't trust
I
you.
didn't trust you.
When you told me,
When you told me,
I one day will be standing on the stage.
and one day I will standing on the stage,
And I would be delivering speeches.
and I will be delivered with
Speeches.
the speeches.
I didn't believe.
I don't believe.
I thought you are faking.
You are faking.
You are boasting.
You are boasting.
You are lying.
You are lying.
You are giving a
You
blatant
are-
lie.
So myself Brijesh, I'm here to eradicate my public speaking fear.
You have to talk about the purpose behind improving and developing your confidence, presentation skills, and public speaking.
Yeah, it is required to achieve any kind of goal in your life, wherever you are in personal life or in professional life. So improving your public speaking is actually important thing that is required to achieve or any kind of goal in your life.
अब देख रहे हैं मिस्टर ब्रिजेश के साथ क्या हो रहा है. I think this is Mr. Brijesh second time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But इनकी ये अपनी प्रॉब्लम है. Like you can see the sweat, पसीना आप देख लीजिए. ये आपको हो सकता है कि बहुत इजी चीज लगती हो, बट बहुतों के लिए बहुत हार्ड चीज होती है.
It's very hard, sir.
इट्स वेरी हार्ड. और इन्होंने पर्सनली एक कन्फेशन किया है कि सर ये जो है मेरा पार्टनर, दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट. मैं शायर तो नहीं,
मैं शायर तो नहीं,
शायरी लिखता हूँ.
शायरी लिखता हूँ.
मैं गजलकार तो नहीं,
मैं गजलकार तो नहीं,
पर गजल लिखता हूँ.
बट गजल लिखता हूँ.
मैं दिलदार तो नहीं,
मैं दिलदार तो नहीं,
लेकिन तेरे नाम पे अपना दिल लिखता हूँ.
बट तेरे नाम पे अपना दिल लिखता हूँ.
आओ आज मैं तुम्हें,
आओ आज मैं तुम्हें
कातिल लिखता हूँ.
काफी लिखता हूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
ladies and gentlemen,
ये आपकी आंखें
ये आपकी आंखें
दीवाना कर देती है,
दीवाना कर देती
ये
है।
आपकी बातें
ये आपकी बातें
मुस्कान सिखा जाती
मुस्कान सिखा जाती
है।
है।
वो मुस्कान नहीं, मुस्कान सिखा जाती है।
मुस्कान सिखा जाती
So I love
है। I love
the way you smile.
the way you
Open your
smile.
hands. I love the way you smile.
I love the way you smile.
I love the way you walk.
I love the way you walk.
I love the way you talk.
I love the way you talk.
I love the way
I love the way
you do each and everything.
you do each and everything.
I saw you first time.
I saw you first
I
time.
was like, hey,
I was like, hey,
whom am I looking?
who am I looking?
Am I looking at Angelina Jolie?
Am I looking at Angelina
Or
Jolie?
I'm looking Katy Perry?
I'm looking Katy Perry.
I'm looking Selena Gomez.
I'm looking Selena Gomez.
Whom am I looking?
Whom I'm looking?
When I saw you,
When I saw you,
there was only ray of hope in my eyes.
there are only ray of hope in my.
I
I saw you,
and I became
and I became
the positive lover.
the positive lover.
And I thought
And I thought
this moment
this moment
should be freezed,
should be freeze,
and this moment
and this moment
should never be lost.
should never be lost.
And I want to say,
And I want to say,
you all,
I want to say you all.
थोड़ा सा और पैर में हल्का गैप कम करेंगे
Yes.
और थोड़ा सा बॉडी को और ओपन करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
बॉडी ओपन करिए, माइंड ओपन करिए. You will feel more positive. Today I want to say you all
Today I want to say you all
that
that
you made me like this.
you made me like this.
I was not like this.
I was not like this.
I was very stupid guy.
I was very stupid.
I was fumbling guy.
I was fumbling.
I was a
guy.
negative thinker.
I was a negative thinker.
I was always pessimist.
I was very
Pessimist. But you made me like this. You made me like this.
You make me like
you
this.
Proved
You proved
that you are the real backbones of
you are
mine.
the real backbones of mine.
When I fell down,
When I fell down,
you picked me.
you picked me.
When I lost my way,
When I lost my way,
you lifted me.
you lifted me.
When I closed my eyes,
When I closed my
you
eyes,
opened my eyes.
you opened my
When I
eyes.
lost the way,
When I lost
you
the way,
showed me the road.
you showed me the route.
When I fumbled,
When I fumbled,
you encouraged me.
you encouraged
When
me.
I became hopeless,
When I became
you
hopeless,
gave me the hope.
you gave me the
When
hope.
I got demotivated,
When I got
you
demotivated,
gave me motivation.
you gave me motivation.
And when I was in the darkness,
When I was in darkness,
you brought me into the lights.
you brought me to the light.
That's why,
I can say
thank you very much.
thank you very much.
इनका फिर से आप 1 मिनट शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे अपने अंदाज में,
Yeah.
थोड़ा और ओपन अप हो गया.
Yeah, sure. So I would like to thank you all so bearing me such a way. So I would like to thank you also bearing me such boring session of mine. Actually, I was so nervous while coming to this stage, but I'm feeling very much motivated as of now. Thank you.
All right, well said.